Welcome back to CodeCraft by Mac. In the last video, we learned about file handling in Python, how to store data permanently in files. Today, we will begin our journey into object-oriented programming, starting with classes and objects. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a way of structuring code using objects like real-world entities. Objects are created from classes which act as a blueprint. Now, what is a class? A class is like a design or a blueprint. For example, class car pass. Here, car is a class. And what is an object? An object is an instance of a class. For example, my underscore car is equal to car, print type of my car. Now, this creates an object my underscore car from the class car. Adding attributes, we can add attributes or variables inside a class. For example, class car brand is equal to Toyota, color is equal to red. Now my underscore car is equal to car, print my underscore car brand will print the brand of the car. Adding methods, a class can also have methods or functions. For example, class car def drive self, print the car is driving. My underscore car is an object of a car, and my underscore car dot drive will print the statement the car is driving. Now my underscore car is using the function of class car. The init method. The init method let us initialize objects with specific values. For example, class car def init self brand color. Now self dot brand is equal to brand and self dot color is equal to color. Now we create an object my underscore car is equal to car with parameters Honda and blue. When we will print my underscore car dot brand, it will print Honda, and my underscore car dot color will print the color, that is blue. Example program. Let's make a student class. Class student def init self name grade. Self dot name is equal to name, self dot grade is equal to grade, and take a function display self dot name has grade self dot grade. When we will pass the values to this class, that is student with Ali and A, and we will ask to display it will display the name Ali has grade A. Okay, now why OOP? OOP help us organize code better, reuse code with classes. It models real world problems easily. And that's introduction to classes and objects in Python, the foundation of OOP. In the next video, we will dive deeper into inheritance, how one class can use prototypes of another. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned only on CodeCraft by Mac. Thank you.